I do.
Like an incline coming up
I don't even have to take my head off the bike. I just can't do it.
To show a quick demonstration of how easy it is to attach our device. Step one.
All you need is one screwdriver.
One screwdriver. Get it lined up. Screw it in. Pretty simple. Yep. And round one. It's a success! Great success!
Steve.
This is our first testy. He's going to tell us how well our bicycle can picker upper works. I don't even know if that's a word.
We need a cool name. Extravaganza.
Alright, I'm going to try and get a better vantage point on this action. Alright, he's circling. And let's see if we do it. Yay, it worked! Yay!
It worked. It felt a little flimsy.
Yeah.
And the steering problem is, it's kind of
it's a little large.
Yeah. But I mean, it works. Cool. All supposed to.
Cool. Thanks, man. All right, we've got our second willing participant.
You gotta turn it.
Oh no! Fail! for trying. What did you think of trying to use it?
You know, it's pretty flimsy. It's a little flimsy, a little tough to balance, but I mean, definitely looked like it would have worked. So.
Well, thank you
I
for.
think they deserve A's.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Definitely. Oh,
Good,
yeah.
good spot. Appreciate that.